Today we're making a simple surf skate carrier. It is an over-the-shoulder style and no hardware is needed. The plan here is to turn the ends of the webbings into a noose and then you wrap it over the wheels. So I will show you a simple way to calculate the length at the end of the video so that you can make a over-the-shoulder or cross-body type. So we adjust the handles to the sides, and you can also carry it vertically, so you just make sure that the bottom noose wraps around the wheels so that the whole thing won't fall down. The webbing I'm using is 2 inches or 5 centimeters wide, and the back is smooth and thick. You want something thick. Sometimes this type of weave webbing comes with an unfinished back, which looks like this. So you will have to sew another piece of webbing underneath to reinforce it. So choose a size that is at least 1.5 to 2 inches. That's because surf skates are a bit heavier than the regular skateboard, and thicker webbings will be more comfortable to carry. So before you start sewing, run a line of super glue on the edges to prevent fraying. Wrap the ends around itself and make sure it's not twisted. Fold the ends down about 1 inch. Wrap the ends over the webbing. We will sew just over this wrapped end, enclosing the raw edges so that it will be hidden. I'm going to sew a box with an X in the middle for extra strength. So do that to both ends and your strapped carrier is done. To figure out the strap length, measure around your surfboard's deck where the noose part of the strap will wrap around. Then add about 25 centimeters, that is about 10 inches, for the sewing allowance. And once you get that number, multiply that by 2 because you need 2 of those. To find the carrying strap length, you tape a piece of string onto your surfboard near the wheels, and then you put it over your shoulder and adjust how high or low you'd like to carry it. Then you mark down that length, and that will be your strap length. So if you like it to be a crossbody style, you just wrap it crossbody and measure it. So that's how you find the length of the webbing. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.